Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I finally filmed a natural, easy makeup tutorial for you guys, but I have one bad news which you might have already been hearing. I forgot to turn on my mic, and so if the video, like the sound of it sounds different, I apologize, but as most of you know, I am currently pre-recording for my surgery that I'm about to have in May, so I just don't have time to refilm this whole thing, so I'm sorry about the audio. It's coming from my camera instead of my mic, so there's that. But hopefully it's not too bothersome. But if you want to see how I created this look, just keep watching. For foundation today, I'm going in with Estee Lauder Double Wear, one of my all-time favorites. I would go in with my new Sunday Riley, I almost said Sisley, but I don't want to be that yellow today. I ordered the shade number 140, but I haven't gotten it yet. This sponge right here is another Sonia Kashuk sponge. It looks like this has like a little flat edge right here, which is the one I'm using. This came in like a kit. It had like, I think 5 different sponges in there. I'm just really liking the texture on these. They're real soft. Tarte Shape Tape. Delium 785 and my Becca Under Eye Brightening Powder. For the rest of my face, I'm going to set it using the Milani Prep Set and Glow Transparent Illuminating Powder and a Delium 974. And now I'm going to warm up my skin with Oliver from the Balm. And this is a Kylie number 4 brush. Now this blush I was saving for a get ready with me trying new products, but I really want to try it. So I'm going to go ahead and use it today. I'm going to cheat a little bit and I'll use it again in that video. But this is from MAC. It's the Naturally Flawless Mineralized Blush. Zoeva 126. For highlight, I'm going to go in with NARS Fort de France and my Linda Hallberg 306. And then I'm going to finish off my face buffing using my Sisley powder. Starting on my eyes, I'm going to line 3/4 of the inner rim on the top with my Nars Via Veneto. I didn't want to do the inner corner because I didn't want to darken it, so I only did 3/4 of it. Now I'm going to go back in with my bronzer that I used on my face and a Zoeva 227. I'm going to buff this on the outer corner first and then work it up into the crease and kind of smoke out this outer edge right here. Wayne Goss number 19, I'm going to carry the bronzer right underneath my lower lash line as well, going outer to inner corner. Doing this helps to disguise any fine lines or anything right underneath the eye or dryness, and it also makes your eye look a little bit bigger. To finish off the eye, I'm going to use that highlighter again. This is Fort de France and the Worker 2 from Sonia G. I'm going to put this all over the front half of the lid and bring it upwards just a little bit. Using the same bronzer and highlighter that you use on your face on your eyes just makes everything really cohesive and just look super natural. Going back in with that 227, no extra product, and I'm just blending. Now for an extra little piece, you don't have to do this, but I like to. I'm going to take Albatross and I'm going to highlight my brow bone and inner corner. And this is a MAC 142. And I'm also going to take a little hint of that and put it right on the bridge of my nose. Now all I'm going to do is add on my mascara, and then I'm going to finish off with Hourglass I'll Never Stop. As I mentioned, all I did was add on Hourglass I'll Never Stop. This is just a go-to for me, quick and easy, don't even have to think about it. But this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!